Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ServiceNow mobile app detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the ServiceNow mobile app on your device. If you haven't installed the app yet, go to your app store and search for ServiceNow. Download. Once installed, tap to open the app. You will see the login screen. Enter your organization's instance URL in the designated field. This URL usually follows the format, https://yourinstance.service-now.com. Next, input your username in the username field. Then, enter your password in the password field. If you have enabled Remember Me, this option will allow you to stay logged in. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button. The app will now attempt to connect to your ServiceNow instance. If your login is successful, you will be directed to the app's dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your instance URL, username, and password. In case you forgot your password, tap the Forgot Password link for assistance. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's interface for better navigation. You can now access tickets, reports, and other features directly from your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.